Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. Open your countdown. So students, we were revising our chapter number 3, that is subtraction. Students, today we are going to revise our page number 51. And this is our today's topic, that is addition and subtraction. Students, today we will learn about that how can we check our answers. So students, today we will learn addition and subtraction and the checking of our answers. Look students, here is our friend Tiger and he is adding some questions. Look students, he is adding something, and now in the other hand he will subtract his answer to check his answer. Okay students, and next is, look at the Tiger. Now Tiger is subtracting some questions, and on the other hand he will add these answers to check his sum, either it is correct or not. So students, let's see the Tiger's sum. Here is Tiger adding 26 and 38. This is the sign of addition. So we are adding these two numbers. We are adding 8 and 6. By adding these two numbers, we got our answer 14. We wrote 4 here and 1 will be taken as carry into the tens column. Now Tiger has added these three numbers, 3, 5, 4, 5 and 6. Here is our number 6. Now Tiger is wanted to check his answer, either it is correct or not. So he is taking the answer of this sum and the second number here. Now he is taking these two numbers and subtracting them. Look students, our answer was 64 and the second number is 38. So Tiger has taken these two numbers, 64 and 38. Now he is going to subtract these two numbers. Look students, firstly in the ones column we will subtract the ones column. Look, 4 is smaller than the 8, so we will take 1 carry from the tens column, remaining with the 5 and making our 4 as 14. Now we can easily subtract 8 from the 14. So subtraction of 8 is 6 from the 14. And next is 5 minus 3 and our answer is 2. Look students, our answer is 26. Now match this 26 with the first question. Look students, we have taken these two numbers and we get this number 26. So by this answer we got that our sum is right. Okay students. Now students, look at the Tiger. Tiger has come to you with another new thing. Look student, Tiger is subtracting his question. He has taken the two numbers 42 and 28. Look students, how can we subtract these two numbers? First, starting from the ones column. When I subtracted 8 from the 2, it was not possible, but became possible by taking the carry. I took carry from the tens column and making my 2 as 12. When I subtracted 8 from the 12, my answer is 4 here. And next is lefting with the 3 here because I took 1 carry. So here I left with the number 3. When I subtracted this 2 from the 3, my answer is 1. Now students, how can we check our answer? Here I am taking the same process. I am taking the answer of my question and the second number. Look, here the Tiger has taken these two numbers. Answer is 14 and the second number is 28. So Tiger has taken these two numbers, 14 and the 28. So students, now this was the subtraction. So to check our answer we will do the process of addition. Okay students, now we are going to add our two numbers 8 and 4. I am adding these two numbers 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I have written 2 here and 1 as a carry into the tens column. So by adding the numbers 2, 3 and 4, my answer is 42. Now let's check our answer. This number is 42 and the first number of our question is also 42. So students, it means that our question is right. We have checked our answer, that is correct. Okay. Look students, I have made a sketch for you here. Here is our question. If our question is of addition, then we will do the subtraction to check the question. Okay students? And if our question is of subtraction, then we will do the process of addition to check our answer. Okay students? And the subtraction and addition, we will do both of these processes by the two numbers. First is our answer and the other is our second number. Okay students? Now here is our first question. We will complete our questions and then check our questions. Okay. Now first part is solved for us, but we will have to perform the check. Okay students. Now in the first part, look at this. Here we have the two numbers 35 and 47, and here is the sign of addition. So we will do addition here. 7 and 5 is 12. 2 is written here and 1 as a carry into the tens column, and making our 4, 3 and 1, and answer is 8 here. So what we will do to check this, we will write our answer. Look, answer is written here, and the second number, that is 47, I will write the 47 here, that is written already. And we will do the process of subtraction to check our addition question. Okay students? Now help me students to solve this subtraction question. Can you help me? Look students, 7 is greater from the 2. So we will take 1 carry, lefting with the 7 here and making our 2 as 12. When I subtracted 7 from the 12, my answer is 5. I am writing my answer here. And next 7 minus 4 and my answer is 3. Let's match our answer from our question. Our answer is 35, and look, our first number is 35. It means that our question is right. Now let's solve our second question, that is part B. This one is solved for you and we will do the check process by ourselves. Okay. Look students, here is the sign of addition. It means that these two words are being added. First of all, we will add these two numbers 9 and 0. 9, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now what we will do to check our answer, we will take the answer of the question and the second number. Let's write our answer first. Answer is 89 and our second number is 39. So I am writing my second number just beneath our answer. Now let's solve it. Here is the sign of subtraction. We will do subtraction to check our addition question as we have discussed earlier. So starting from the ones column, 9 minus 9 is 0, and in the second tens column 8 minus 3, and our answer is 5. So students, let's match our answer with the question. Students, look, here is our answer and here is the first number of our question. Both are the same, and it means that our question is right. We have solved our question. Next is the part C. Look students, here is our addition question. First we will do the addition. 8 plus 9, and our answer is 17. I am writing 7 here and 1 in the tens column. 4 plus 2 and 1 carry. Let's add these three numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7. So my answer is 77. What we will do to check our answer? I will write the answer first and then the second number. Look, I am writing the answer and my second number, that is 29. Okay, now let's subtract it, because we will do the process of subtraction to check the addition. Now students, can I subtract 9 from 7? No, I can't. I will take one carry from the tens column, making it 6 and making my this 7 as 17. Now I can easily subtract 9 from the 17. So students, when I subtracted 9 from the 17, my answer is 8 here. And here lefting with the number 6. So my answer is 6 minus 2. My answer is 4 here. Now let's match our answer with the question's first number. In the question, first number is 48. Look, these two numbers are matching. It means that our question is right. We have done it correctly. Okay students? So students, let's try to solve our next part, that is D. Look students, here is my question of subtraction. I will subtract these numbers first. That has been done for you. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So students, what we will do to check our answer? We will do the process of addition to check my subtraction question. So I will take the answer here and the second number here. Look, I have taken these two numbers here. My answer, that is 21 here, and the second number, that is 41 here. Now I am going to add these two numbers. Let's find our answer. 1 plus 1. Tell me students, answer is 2. And here answer of 4 plus 2. My answer is 6 here. So students, when we added these two numbers, our answer is 62. Let's compare our answer with the question. Look, first number is same as our answer. It means that our question is right. We have done it correctly. Next is our part E. First of all, here is the subtraction sign. We will subtract these two numbers first. Look students, I can't subtract 8 from the 2. So I will take one carry from the tens column, making it 6 and making my 2 12. Now I can easily subtract 8 from the 12 and my answer is, tell me students, my answer is 4. Now the subtraction of the tens column, when I subtracted 3 from the number 6, my answer is 34. Now let's compare our answer with the question. Now we will do the process of checking to see that our answer is correct or not. So students, for the checking process, what we will do? Tell me. We will write the answer first. Let me write the answer. Here is our answer. And next we will write the second number. Look, the second number is 38 and I am writing the second number, that is 38 here. We will do the process of addition to check the subtraction. Look, now help me students to solve this question. 8 and 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Our answer is 12. Here I am writing 2 here and 1 upward in the tens column. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. My answer is 7. So when we added these two numbers, our answer is 72. Let's check our answer with the question. When we compare it, look, here is the number 72 and our answer is also 72. It means that we have solved our question. Okay students? Here is the part F, last part of our today's topic. First of all, we will do the subtraction as the sign of subtraction here. Here I am subtracting 6 from the 4, not possible, and it become possible by taking the carry. Look, I have taken the carry and make my 4 as 14. Now I can easily subtract 6 from the number 14. When I subtracted 6 from the 14, my answer is 8 here. Lefting with the number 4, subtract 2 from the 4. You can easily subtract these two numbers and my answer is 2 here. Next is to check it. Students, help me to check my answer. Here I am writing the answer of my question, that is 28, and my second number, that is 26. Now students, help me to add these numbers. When I added the number 8 and the 16, my answer is 14. I will write the 4 here and 1 in the tens column. In this way, now I will add these three numbers, 2, 3, 4 and 5. My answer is 54. Let's compare my answer with the question's first number. Look students, this 54 and 54, both these numbers are same. It means that our question is right and you have done it correctly. Very good students. Okay students, hope this concept of checking addition and subtraction will be clear to you. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.